Alright, here is our parts for our Smoke Daddy cold smoker that we're going to be installing today. I'm going to lay them out and tell you what they are. This is the cold smoker cylinder body. It's where you keep all your charcoal and your woods, whatever you're going to use inside of. Here is the bottom and top cap locking knobs. This here is a fuel retaining screen that'll be at the bottom. Here is our threaded outlet tube. That's what will attach it to the smoker, and the Smoke Daddy hooks them together. Your 1-inch washers, your 4 locking washers, comes with a step bit, and your air chute accessory, your air hose. Well, your air hose will attach to it. That attaches to the side here, and then this tube will run right through there. And then it comes with a cleaning brush and then an optional spring void for if you want to put it in there and you want to use wood pellets and stuff. You want to definitely use that. Make sure you've got that in there if you're using pellets. Other than that, it's just an option to use for a void on there for some air and airflow. Just an air baffle. And then your hose, of course, to hook to your pump that it comes with. So we will go ahead and get this assembled, show you how it looks. There it is. Super simple. Make sure you tighten this locking nut up so it don't wobble around in there. You have your other locking nut right here, but it'd be easier to tighten the one on the outside. As you can see, the air baffle shoots right in through here. So looks like a very easy setup. And I'll tell you, this is not a light unit. Very heavy duty. Built awesome build quality on this. Just amazing. There it is. Now we have to take and drill a pilot hole into our smoker. Then we'll use a step bit down to 1 1/8 inch so we can thread this in. At this point, now that the Smoke Daddy is actually built and ready to put into the hole, best thing to do is to make sure where you want it before you drill a hole into your smoker. So I've already went ahead and scratched a spot there, but right there is going to be nice, and it'll be setting in, obviously, so you can still reach all the controls on your smoker. But double check it first where it's going to go instead of just drilling a couple holes in your smoker. There, one small pilot hole. First hole I've ever put in my smoker. Now we'll take the step bit and take it to 1 1/8 inch. Just to show you, they've got it marked already on your step bit, your sizes. So take it down to the 1 1/8 inch mark. And yes, if you have never drilled a hole in your smoker, it does feel weird the first time you do it. I think I'm awfully close. I'm going to go ahead and give it a try, see if we're there. Yep, one more, that's what I thought. And that'll do it. Beautiful. Now, we'll go ahead and get it tightened up on the inside. There it is, all set up. Got your top cap here, bottom cap is on. You want to make sure it's the one with the holes. Loosen it up, it'll drop it down. You got your screen inside there. I don't know if you can, yeah, I can't see it with this angle. Air hose is hooked up. Got that sitting right on the shelf down there. So we're gonna go get some fuel, get this fired up, test it out, and we're gonna do some smoking of some cheese. So thanks for watching. That's a quick install on the Smoke Daddy. So can't wait to try this thing out. Thanks for watching.